Hey guys, welcome back to Ledford. My name is Chris Ledford. I'm a certified personal trainer with the National Academy of Sports Medicine, and along with my wife Serein, who is a certified nutritionist through Precision Nutrition, we make videos to help you live a happy and healthy lifestyle. So today guys, we're going to do a chair workout for beginners or for people with chronic pain or anyone that might have mobility issues. Everything we do today is going to involve the chair. That means sitting in the chair, lifting the chair, doing push-ups on the chair. So go ahead and grab yourself something that's not too heavy, one that you can move around with just a little bit, because everything we do today, we're going to simulate a resistance training workout with just the chair and maybe some pillows. All right? So without further ado, let's get into it. All right guys, there you go. An at-home resistance training workout involving only a chair and some pillows. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications bell, go over to Instagram, hit the follow button with me, with Serein, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.